Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the intelligent clearance sonar malfunction on your Lexus RX 350. This system is designed to help prevent collisions during low-speed maneuvers by detecting objects around your vehicle. When it malfunctions, it can be frustrating, but often the solution is straightforward. We'll cover the most common and effective steps to get your ICS working perfectly again, ensuring your parking assistance is fully operational. First, let's identify the common reasons your ICS might be acting up. Often, the problem is as simple as dirt, mud, or even ice obstructing the sonar sensors located on your bumpers. These sensors need a clear line of sight to function correctly. Also, check for any recent minor impacts or aftermarket accessories, like a new license plate frame, that might be inadvertently blocking a sensor's field of view. A thorough visual inspection is your first crucial step. The most effective and often only way to resolve many ICS malfunctions is a thorough cleaning of all 10 sonar sensors. Gently wipe each sensor with a soft, damp cloth and mild automotive soap, then dry completely. If cleaning doesn't work, try a system reset. Disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal for about 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This can clear temporary electrical glitches and restore proper system operation, often resolving the issue immediately. If after cleaning and performing a system reset, your intelligent clearance sonar still malfunctions, it's time to consider other possibilities. Check for any visibly loose or damaged wiring connected to the sensors. Sometimes, a specific sensor might have failed internally, requiring replacement. In such cases, a diagnostic scan tool can pinpoint the exact faulty component. For persistent or complex issues, consulting a certified Lexus technician is recommended for a professional diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.